In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wise Digital Card in store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up the Wise Digital Card so it can be used to make in-store purchases. You will be able to attribute it to a digital wallet and use it in-store to make contactless payments. So all that you have to do to set up the Wise Digital Card is to first open a Wise account and open the mobile app. This is where you will be able to manage everything related to your Wise card. So if you haven't already, open the mobile app, go through the sign up process, and once you are done setting up the card, you will be able to find plenty of options related to this card. So below it, you will see the option to add the card to a digital wallet. So as you can see, if you are on an iOS device, you will be able to add the digital card that you acquired to the Apple Wallet. And in turn, if you are using an Android device, you will be able to add the card to the Google Wallet instead. So tap on this respective button, you will be redirected into the appropriate wallet with all of the details about the card automatically filled out. And once this is done and the card has been verified under the digital wallet, you will now be able to use it for in-store or online payments. So make sure that your phone has NFC capabilities enabled, and all that you have to do is place your phone near a card reader when you are ready to make a transaction. You will be able to choose among the cards listed in your Apple Wallet, including the Wise Digital Card, and if you choose that card while making that transaction, you will be able to make the payment contactlessly with the Wise Digital Card. You can manage any transactions that you make through the Wise mobile app, and of course, like I said, you can also do it online. So if you choose the option to pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay during checkout, you will be good to go. So just make sure that you select the Wise Digital Card and you will make payments this way. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wise Digital Card in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.